Let's make a charcuterie board with only Dollar Tree ingredients. This is where Dollar Tree shines because at $1.25 per item, you can get an insane amount of variety with a low upfront investment. If you don't have a large serving platter, Dollar Tree sells one in their party supply section. They also have these small clear bowls, and I picked up some cute food picks in the Thanksgiving aisle. For food options, Dollar Tree has an amazing selection of crackers. You can also find an assortment of deli meats, grab a few blocks of cheese, some green and black olives, a jar of gherkin pickles. A couple of extra options would be some mixed nuts or some chocolate-covered pretzels. I'll also show you how to make 2 different spreads for your charcuterie board. Soften a block of cream cheese at room temperature for an hour or 2, and then you're going to whip it with a hand mixer until it's creamy. If you want, you can add a tablespoon of milk, which will keep it soft even after it's been refrigerated. Divide this mixture in half. You're going to put half into a bowl and top it with some strawberry preserves for a sweet fruit spread. And the other half, I mixed in a tablespoon of dried chives, a quarter of a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for a onion and chive cream cheese spread. Some of the cheese I cut into sticks and wrapped in a slice of deli ham and then skewered with a food pick. The rest of the cheese I cut into cubes. I folded the rest of the ham into quarters, and then I sliced my summer sausage into thin slices. I'm using this as a guide for how to assemble the charcuterie board, so I started by putting down my sauces, followed by bowls of pickles and olives. Then I arranged my cheese in 2 piles on the platter. I ended up swapping my strawberry and olive bowls just for balance. I made a home for the meat and cheese skewers, and then I added my deli meat and summer sausage, and then the rest of this process is just filling in every single gap and making a home for each item that you purchased. I added in some pretzels, some mixed nuts, an assortment of crackers, and just made this board look as bountiful as possible. And here is our finished charcuterie board. The beauty of this is that it doesn't require any cooking, so it's perfect for anybody to bring to a family gathering or get together.